Hello my dear students, today we are going to learn Connect to Computers Standard 8. Lesson number 3, Editing in MS Excel. Activity Zone. Question number 1. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. To cancel any changes you have made, click on the dash button on dash toolbar, undo button on quick access toolbar. Question number 2. By default, the column width is dash PTS 8.43. Number 3. Intersection of a column and a row is known as dash, whereas cell in which we are working currently is known as dash cell. Cell, then active cell. Okay. Question number 2, true or false. Number 1. Repeat the last action. Click on the redo button on quick access toolbar. Answer is true. Number 2. By default, the row height is 8 PTS. False. Editing means to modify the saved data from the worksheet. True. Number 4. Fill option from editing group help us to fill values as per our criteria. False. Number 5. Autofill option fills a worksheet automatically. False. Question number 3. Name the following. Number 1. 4 option when you click on drop down arrow on delete option from cell group. Number 1. Delete cells. Number 2. Delete sheet rows. Number 3. Delete sheets columns. Number 4. Delete sheet. Number 2. 4 option under fill tool on editing group. Number 1. Mark sheet. Number 2. Roll number. Number 3. Name. Number 4. Subject. Number 3. Any 4 series from series dialog box. Linear, growth, date, autofill. Number 4. Any 2 option from quick access toolbar. Undo, redo. Okay. Now see question number 4. Answer the following. Number 1. Write steps to resize the row height. Answer is on page number 22. Select the rows whose height is to be increased or decreased. Point number 2. Click on the drop down arrow below format option from cells group on home tab. Point number 3. Select row height and click row height. Dialog box appears. It will show the default height, which is 15. Point number 4. Type 20 and click on OK. Now see question number 2 of question number 4. Write steps to insert row. Answer is on page number 20. Answer. Point number 1. Select the entire row by clicking on its row header. Point number 2. Click on the drop down arrow below. Insert option in cells group from home tab. Point number 3. Click on insert sheet rows. Or point number 4. Right click on the selected row and click on insert. Question number 3. Write note on field features of MS Excel. Answer on page number 18. Field option from the editing group of Home tab allows users to fill the values in the cells automatically. Point number 1. You can fill same value in the selected range of cells with the help of fill option up, down, right and left. Point number 2. You can fill certain values with the help of series option, which allows to fill values in the selected pattern. Thank you.